Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working video, we will make first Python program and run it. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Python 3.9.6 updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, very first I have installed Python latest version 3.9.6, and after it successfully installed, I have restart my PC or laptop, and then I make one file name helloworld.py, means Python extension. And guys, here you can see my file, and I have written some code inside it. Print welcome in the Python world. And guys, now I'm going to run this program. Here we go. I will open my terminal, and guys, now I will write down command to run this program. Pi space file name hello world dot py. Hey guys, welcome in Python world. I forgot to save the file and I will run it again. See guys, welcome in the Python world. So guys, have you seen the Python program runs successfully? And guys, I will also show you some few important queries or commands, like to check the Python version. I will write, see guys, Python 3.9.6, and guys, and type help, copyright, credits, or other commands for information. So guys, have you seen the Python 3.9.6 installed and run first program successfully? And guys, I will also share the code snippet link and other important links inside this video description. So please get the code snippet. Guys, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. And guys, I will come with more Python updates very soon. And guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.